If you own a home, you are already exposed to risk, whether you realize it or not. The question is not if something will go wrong, it's whether you're prepared for it when it does. Today, I'm going to walk you through real estate risk management for homeowners so you can protect your home, your equity, and your long-term financial future. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and I help homeowners make smart, strategic real estate decisions. On this channel, we focus on protecting your investment, building wealth through real estate, and avoiding costly mistakes. If that's important to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Now, what is real estate risk? Well, when most people think about real estate, they think about appreciation. But experienced homeowners understand something else. Real estate is both an asset and a liability. There are four major types of risk every homeowner should be aware of. One, market risk. Property values can fluctuate based on supply, demand, and interest rates. Financial risk. Over-leveraging, rising payments, or unexpected expenses. Property risk. Maintenance issues, deferred repairs, or structural problems. And liquidity risk. Real estate is not a quick sale asset when you need cash. Understanding these risks is the first step to managing them. All right, the biggest mistakes homeowners make. What I see most of the time that gets people in trouble is one, they're assuming their home value is stable. Two, delaying maintenance until it becomes expensive. Three, not reviewing insurance coverage annually, and making decisions based on headlines instead of local data. And one of the biggest, treating your home like an emotional asset instead of a financial one. Smart homeowners take a proactive approach, not a reactive one. All right, how to manage risk like a pro. There are 5 practical strategies to reduce your risk. 1, review your equity position annually. Know what your home is worth in today's market, not what Zillow says. 2, stay ahead of maintenance. Small issues can become big expenses quickly. Preventive maintenance protects both value and marketability. 3, evaluate your insurance coverage. Make sure your policy reflects replacement cost, not outdated values. 4, understand your exit strategy. If you had to sell in 30 to 60 days, could you? Planning ahead reduces stress and financial loss. And 5, work with a trusted real estate advisor, not just when buying or selling, but as part of your long-term strategy. Now, why does this matter right now? We are in a market where interest rates are shifting, inventory is evolving, and buyer behavior is changing. That means risk is not static. It's constantly moving. The homeowners who win long-term are the ones who adapt early. All right, so if you want to protect your home and make smarter real estate decisions, I've put together a homeowner risk management guide just for you. All you have to do is send an email to joe@joelucarealtor.com and put risk management guide in the subject, and I'll send it right out to you. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video, drop a question in the comments, and subscribe for more real estate strategies. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.